What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the freaking YouTube channel. Today, I need to update you with everything that's gone on in the past couple months, actually past month, with everything with the cars, everything with the Miata, everything with the engine swap. As you guys probably know, it didn't go very well. First things first, you would know that the engine swap was a huge failure if you followed my Instagram. So you should probably do that right now. Instagram is right here at Decor, 2 T's. Don't forget the second T. If you forget the second T, you're gonna get some weird person's page. If you put 3 T's, you're gonna get a super weird person's page. You need 2 T's. Decor, 2 freaking T's. So right here we have ourselves a Miata, we have ourselves a Mazda Speed 3, and we have ourselves a Miata 1.8 cylinder that used to be in the car, but it was blown, so we took it out of the car because it's a piece of crap. If anyone wants a 1.8 liter Miata engine, let me know. Hit me up in the comment section below. I live in San Diego, California. I will sell it to you for very cheap because the bottom end is toast. I am only selling the bottom end because the top end is actually brand new. I mean, technically I would sell the top end as well, but it's going to be a little bit more expensive with this top end because this top end is actually completely redone. Everything is completely redone on this thing. I'll open it up and show the person that it literally has 1 mile on it. I actually did drive with the new top end on the car, but the bottom end is toast. Something to do with probably most likely the rings because oil is being consumed like crazy. I did a very, very horrible job of showing you guys everything that went on into that swap and actually showing exactly what went down and how the power was and all that goodness. But just letting you guys know, it's a blown motor. The Miata right now is definitely out of commission. I've obviously pulled the motor out of it and I'm waiting for a 1.8 that I can throw back in the car that isn't blown. The Speed 3, by the way, is still freaking killing it. It is my daily driver. I drive that every day. I get so many comments about like where the Speed 3 went. When am I gonna make Speed 3 videos? I actually do have a few things for it in the future. So just keep watching the videos. The Speed 3 will make its way back. Kind of fell out of love with it for a while, but it has been treating me very, very good recently, so I've actually kind of fell back in love with it. It's been treating me very, very good recently. So school got out about a month ago. Christmas has already ended, all that goodness, and we are working on getting the channel back up and running so that we can, you know, just make more car things, interact with you guys more, just do more fun stuff. I'm gonna really try to come back this time. I know I say that every time, but who knows? Sniped, dude. So one thing I'm going to show you guys today, other than the blown engine, is that I got something for Christmas that you might have seen in the background. It is a MIG welder. This is an Eastwood MIG 135. It is a MIG, but it could also do flux core if you just changed a couple of the settings in the welder. I'm going to be practicing welding. I thought it'd always be cool to be able to do that kind of stuff, melt metal together to build things. So I think that'd be a good skill to have for the rest of my life. Welders last forever, so hopefully I'll have a welder for the rest of my life. And yeah, I'm going to practice flux core welding right now. I just went out and got some wire for it, got some tips for it. And yeah, you don't need gas for a flux core welder. That's why I'm not doing MIG right now, because I don't have the argon oxygen or argon CO2 mixture to weld MIG. So I've already practiced once a couple days ago. There they are. This is all flux core because again, I don't have the gas for MIG. There they are. Flux core has a lot more spatter in it. It's a lot more disgusting, and you can't do as much with flux core. It's kind of hard to do exhaust stuff, but this is just to get a hang of things. I'm gonna start and hopefully weld pieces of metal together. Then maybe I'll go over to that piece of dumb pipe over there and try some things over there with it. So that second line is the line I just welded. Obviously there's no metal to metal, so this is a lot easier than just welding metal on metal or doing butt welding or anything like that, but you know, I'm kind of getting the hang of it. I don't know. That's just me practicing. Alright, I'm done with the big thick piece of steel. Now I'm going to try to move on with exhaust with a flux core welder. I'm gonna try to just blast a straight line through it with a grinder over there and see if I can weld the hole back up together. So wish me luck, folks. If there's actually any holes, so figure that out. Stuff is harder than it looks, but I think I will get a hang of it. This is my first time actually doing this, like trying to connect metal together, not just welding on top of normal metal. I think I'm gonna get the hang of this. I need to do this because I know I need to get the car quieter once it is running, because California has weird exhaust laws now, so definitely got to figure this out. Alright, I'm going to try this again, and you got to realize like this gap's actually very big, bigger than what an exhaust pipe's going to be, so hopefully this will be harder than what it would be to weld a like butt weld pipes together. That's my idea. Well, that's it. That's going to be it for this video. I know it's a short video. I know it's my first video back. Don't get too upset. The Miata being blown probably is a good thing in the future, because now we can swap a different motor in there and get a different motor from a place that's actually reputable and be excited about it, because I am. We already have some things lined up for the future with this car and the Mazda Speed 3, like I said before. The Miata will come back soon. I got a welder, so that's freaking dope. Things are limitless now with the welder. So it is a MIG welder, like I said before, but that is it for this. Hopefully we have a video either tomorrow or the next day about what we're going to do with the motor situation. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Make sure to like the video if you liked the video. If you didn't like the video, still like that video. Comment and subscribe. Bye.